LNK File Attack is another wonderful attack against Active Directory. In our scenario, we have a DC on the right side and a client system that we want to get its NTLM v2 hash. In order to get the NTLM v2 hash of this client system, we will create a shortcut called test.lnk in its C drive with these bunch of commands. This shortcut, this LNK shows that it's a shortcut. This shortcut will then point to this SMB address. So in this SMB address, we have the IP of the server and we have the name of the shared file that exists on that server. When the user sees this shortcut, actually its system will try to automatically resolve this SMB address. So its system will get connected to this server and it will ask this server in order to let them access this shared file. This server in return asks the client in order to authenticate themselves by giving their NTLM v2 hash. So the client gives its NTLM v2 hash to the server checks it. If it was correct, it will allow the user in order to get access to this shared file. So in LNK File Attack, what we're going to do exactly is this, that we will replace this IP address with the IP address of the attacker machine. So then in this case, the user gets connected to the attacker machine. And when they connected to this attacker machine, then they are asked to authenticate themselves by giving their NTLM v2 hash if they want to get access to this shared file called @test.png. Then the client will send its NTLM v2 hash and tada, we are just done by this attack. So let's just copy and also paste these commands in the CMD of this system, which I have already done that, and I have run the CMD as admin in order to copy and paste those bunch of commands. After hitting enter, you get this @test file in C drive. You can just copy it and paste it in anywhere, but actually I just paste it in my shared folder because the possibility of being this shared folder to be visited by the user is so high. So that's the reason that I just put it in here. So here, whenever the user clicks on this shared folder and sees this shortcut, their system are forced in order to send their NTLM v2 hash to our attacker machine. For our attacker machine, in order to receive that NTLM v2 hash, we need to run a command called sudo responder. This is a tool that will just get that NTLM v2 hash. Interface here is VLAN 0 and we have also -vdw for being verbose and getting that NTLM v2 hash. Here also HTTP server is on, SMB server is also on. So now let's just assume that I am that user that, for example, I want to just visit my shared folder and I just see this shortcut and that's it. So here we are. The sjobs NTLM v2 hash is in the hand of attacker. We have gained the NTLM v2 hash of the user, which is a user in penetration lab domain, and it's also the IP address of that client system. I hope that you have enjoyed the video, and I will wish you a happy hacking year. Stay tuned with Sky Tech in order to get more videos on hacking.